Hello, hello! Let's do another Halloween decoration. Welcome back! So as you could see on my last video, we did a Halloween decoration. You can see the video if you didn't watch it, so you know what I'm talking about, and it's really interesting. So today, as Halloween is approaching, we're gonna do another Halloween decoration. And I'm gonna show you the materials that we're gonna use. So we're gonna need some cardboard or cardstock, that depends on you. We're gonna need a ruler, a lot of balloons. In this case, white. I bought this for the balloons. These are actually there are bags with pumpkin face. Interesting. We can do a lot of things with this one, and people wouldn't notice they're like that. So you're gonna see the results with this one. So now that we have everything here, we can start doing this. So if you're excited as I am, so stay here and let's do it. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do some stripes from the cardstock. So we're gonna create the letters first to use it as a base, and then put the strips that we just got on top of it. Okay, so now we have our letters here. It says B. And we're gonna take the strips that we cut before and put it like in the borders to make like spaces in between, and then we're gonna put the balloons inside of it. And for me, I'm gonna use this glue gun because it's easier to do the borders to this. But you can use the glue, any type of glue that you prefer to use. Oh my god, I'm so excited because here we have our letters saying B. And now we're gonna put the balloons inside, and this is gonna look really amazing. So let's continue having fun with this amazing project. So look how amazing this is looking. So imagine this now at your entrance, and I'm gonna put more decorations and we're gonna do this. I'm loving this way too much. Okay, so something that I'm going to do is that I'm gonna put the lights around this, because this layer is gonna have lights. So I bought more Halloween lights, purple and orange, and we're gonna put them there, and this is gonna look really awesome. So let's put these things first and then continue with the decoration. Well, as you can see, this is the final result of our Halloween decoration for the entrance. It's really easy to do and looks really nice and different. And you can also do different things, like you don't have to say boo. You can say welcome. And we use some things here from the previous videos that we did also for the table decoration, this spider web and also the spiders and everything, and added some pumpkins to add more things to the decoration. I hope you enjoyed this video because, as always, I have a lot of fun doing these things for you, And I hope you try this at home. And if you want to see more content like this, just press subscribe and press the bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. Also, I'm going to invite you to watch. I'm uploading some shorts. So sometimes I don't upload like videos, but I upload some shorts, some funny things or things that I do. And also, if you wanna stay closer to me, you can follow my social media. I'm gonna give you the link on the description here. And as always, I can look for you on internet for similar items that I use here. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it. I bought most of them on a local store. So thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna keep enjoying this decoration and I hope you do it too. And if you do, send me a picture of it. And thanks for being here. Bye bye.